Here's another movement you should know.
I love him. I really love.
Again,
I love him.
this is a change.
I love him. Really love.
The first way to play this, if you do
I love him. I love
you can walk it up.
him.
So the way I'm looking at this, because we in the key of D major, so I'm looking at we doing a major 6, but we playing the dominant 7. Now this is something you should know. Anytime you playing a dominant 7 chord, you can look at it like a diminished. So let's just say we're playing a diminished 7 and we putting a B in the bass. So all I'm doing is going up. You can either go down a whole step, so it'll sound like, or you can go up a half step and then back down. So you just going. Common church move. Now the other alternative way you can do it, if you go down, still the same chords, but you're gonna go down with the bass. So I love him, I love. Then you could just do him, I really love the Lord. This chord right here, it's a G sharp minor 7 flat 5 or half diminished. You can kind of look at it like you playing the 2 dominant 7 or dominant 9 as well.
I love him, I love him, I really love.
So that's really the chords you playing, but you just you gotta know that. So you're doing 2 minor, 1 over 3, 2 minor over 4, and then, like I said, you can go to your 2 or just keep it here. So it'll just be a half diminished, then 5 to 1.